Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Random Video Game Repair, where we're looking at random video games and try to repair them as a novice. Let's use William, the mystery game wheel, to figure out what game we're going to be working on today. Game Boy Advanced. Let's go up the Game Boy Advance games and see what we're going to work on today. Alright, and here we have the Game Boy Advance chest. Let's see what we're going to work on today. Let's do two. Why not? Let's grab these two random games. And what do we got? We got The Incredibles and PacMan World. Interesting. Alright, so we need to go ahead and test them out now and see if they play. Let's grab our Game Boy Advanced. Let's start with Incredibles. Looks like it has some label wear. Any signs of life? No Game Boy, no Nintendo logo at all. Okay, let's check PacMan World. Okay, we got a Nintendo logo. Interesting. Oh, is this one working? Okay, this one's working. It's hard to see these games. So I had to put it on the DS because the Game Boy Advanced was... Oh. Aha! It's not working. You know, I was gonna just switch over to the DS. I was gonna switch over to the DS because I was not able to really get very good footage from the Game Boy Advanced, and now it is not working. Interesting. Oh, what? Huh. Do we have a short? Maybe not. Maybe it's just random. Interesting. There's no pack and... Okay, wait a minute. Do we have to restart the DS? I know you have to restart the DS for... Yeah, let's try it. Let's restart it. Because sometimes I know you have to restart the DS in order to get the DS games to register. Alright, so there is a DS option pack inserted. What does that mean? Weird, interesting. I've never seen that before. Okay, so we do have some issues with this. Let's go ahead and try Incredibles real quick. And there's no game pack inserted. So let me just grab this PacMan game and try it on here again. Because we were getting it to play on here. Is it something to do with the circuitry for the Okay, so now we're getting... Okay, so it was just lucky the first time. We're getting garbled Nintendo logo now. Fascinating. Alright, well, let's go ahead and open these up and see what the deal is. Got our Mantis kit, iFixit kit, which is pretty good. I like it. And we got a Y00. Let's try Y00. So Y000 I think is like smaller or something. And let's go ahead and open this one first. Put this off to the side. This one, and put this one off to the side. Playing a dangerous game here. Will we mix up the cartridges? Who knows? Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. And how are we looking here? Little bit of wear on those cartridge pins. Not really that bad though, so I don't know if that's the problem. Okay, anything on the back? Nope. Okay, let's check out this one too. Just some dirty cartridge pins probably. Nothing obvious yet, so I think we're okay. Let's go ahead and get these cleaned up, and then we'll test them out. Go and work on Incredibles first. Okay, let's go ahead and use some Wyman Glass Stove Top Cleaner on Polish. And let's just go ahead and keep on working into these contacts. And first pass through. Yeah, definitely picking up some gunk and gray stuff, so yeah, we're doing something. Just gotta go ahead and hit it up with some 91% isopropyl alcohol and clean off the gunk, and if there is any. How are we looking? Pretty darn good. Look at that shine. That's good. Beautiful. Let's see if it works. We are not going with the confidence case screw because I'm not confident in this one yet. Let's go and try the DS again. So I think it's going to be a little bit too hard to record on the Game Boy Original Advanced. Start GBA. Bring. The Incredibles Rise of the Underminer. Password. What's the password system look like? Oh, lame. Alright. Super, incredible, or normal? We're no wimps. Dang, why is this so dark? Dying. How do we do this? What if we did this? You know what? Let me try this. There we go. I think that could be better. After surviving the ultimate test, the Incredible Power family has returned to normal life. They leave Metroville? Metroville? That's where they live? I didn't remember what that. Metroville Stadium, thrilled that Dash placed second in his school track meet. Suddenly, the ground began to quake. Behold, the Underminer. I am always beneath you, but nothing is beneath me. I hereby declare war, and on peace and happiness, soon all will tremble before me. Who's that guy? Whoever he is, he's shown up in the wrong place at the wrong time. It's showtime. Even now, my darkness spreads over your pitiful globe. It has begun. The rise of the Underminer. We can't let him get away. Honey, we'll go after the Underminer. You and kid stop. Oh, I thought that was the woman. Thought that was Miss Incredible or whatever. Stop those drills. Password B1GMT. Good luck remembering that. Okay. Press B near call boxes for gameplay hints. Okay, is this a call box? Press A to jump, hold longer to jump higher. Okay. Is there like laser beams or anything? No, just punches. You will not thwart me from my plans of global domination. I'm underwhelmed by your attempts. Kneel before the Underminer. Then we don't have time to play dice. What? Is another password already? It was like, what, a tutorial? Why would you need a password for the tutorial? This is the beginning of the game. But there, okay, sure. Okay, that makes total sense. Alright. Oh dear. He kind of jumps weird. No one jumps like that. Oh, great. We gotta learn the thing. Hey, sister, press B. There it goes. Use your ice bolt to... What? Ice bolt. Okay, change to frozen? Hey, I can. Oh, great. Oh, okay. Okay, could you move these stupid call boxes, please? Oh my gosh, how are you supposed to do it? To go from this angle? Oh my gosh. I want to know whose brilliant idea was it to put these call boxes right in front of where you need to activate the stupid things. Press R and okay, so R, okay. What's the thing again? Oh. Is that it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Please make this stop. Okay. Oh, that's sick. I like that. So can you do this now? Or is that... Oh my gosh. Okay, well, that's enough of this game. Let me go ahead and see how much Incredibles is on eBay at the moment. And I guess on a good day, it's about $8. Not great. And none of these had this label peel, so yeah. I don't know, maybe if we use some glue or something, but that's probably not going to happen. So I'm just going to put the lid back on it. The lid. I'm going to put the screw back on it, and we'll go and work on PacMan. Well, PacMan might be more interesting. It might have a loose ROM pin because there's a little bit more going on with it, maybe. So let's go ahead and clean it up, though. You never know. It might be the contacts. Let's see. Oh, wow. Look at that. Dang, look at that. That's crazy. Look at the difference. That's crazy. First pass. We're going to do 2 passes with this one. Still getting some gray coming up, so maybe it was the contacts that are the issue. You never know. Now it's looking a lot better already. I'm going to do some more alcohol on there. And there we go. Look at that shine. That's pretty. Now let's see if that fixed the problem. Alright. Oh, we put the confidence case screw on there without even thinking. Let's see if that'll jinx us. Oh yeah, I forgot to look. Yeah, it's a double stamped game. Huh. And this one's also stamped, so these are... It's our GBA game. Oh, and it went past that. Very good. Burying a body. I forget the lore of PacMan, honestly. What? He just ascended. His people needed him. Oh dear. Wee, 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 wee. Oh. Can jump? Yeah, woohoo! Bananas! Yeah, because that makes sense. Hint. Press A to jump. Press A again to do butt bounce. What? Is that a 9? I swear that was a 9. Did you guys see that? Come on, with a hint. Thank you. A, yep. Yeah, ledges with a 9. I swear that's a 9. Look at that. Okay, yeah. Strawberries, okay. Oh, yeah, that's right. You could get cherries and cherries and bananas on the original PacMan. I forgot about that. That's pretty cool. I like it so far. Only problem is it's one of those games that it like doesn't tell you really where to go, unless I'm just being stupid. I actually might end up playing that later, which is unusual. Usually I might fix them, play them a little bit, throw them in a drawer for who knows how long. That game looked pretty fun though. That's cool. I like that. Let's see how much it was worth. All right, and yeah, this game's worth about $15. Pretty good. If it was a second game, PacMan World 2, it would be worth like $25, but that's okay. That's pretty cool. I'm probably going to keep this one. It's actually one of the ones I've actually wanted to play after I repaired them. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm sure like some of the games I've repaired have been halfway decent, at least to play for a little while, but this one's actually got me interested. So very cool. Well, we got two games working, no soldering involved this time, but that's how this works sometimes, you know? Sometimes you get something really easy, and sometimes they're incredibly hard or even impossible to fix. So, thank you guys for watching. I do plan on making more videos about electronic repair and stuff. I'm working through video games, but I've got plenty of other things because I am a pack rat. I'm kind of a hoarder, and I have a lot of stuff that I need to repair, so we will get to it eventually. Thank you guys for watching, and God bless.